1.2, Day 2, Volume of Pyramids. Content standard. Give an informal argument for the formulas for the circumference of a circle, area of a circle, volume of a cylinder, pyramid, and cone. Language objective. Explain to a partner how to apply the formula for the volume of a pyramid. So on day 1, we were working with finding the volume of a pyramid. So for day 2, we're looking for finding the volume of a composite figure. Okay, so let's try our example 2. Find the volume of a composite figure formed by a pyramid removed from a prism, round to the nearest 10. Okay, so then for this one, we can think of it as that first, find the volume of a prism first and subtract that from the volume of a pyramid. Right? Okay, so let's find the volume of a prism first. Okay, so let me draw the prism. So then we have this part here, length times width times height. So this gives us 25 times 12 times 15. Okay. So this gives 4,500 square feet. Now find the volume of our pyramid. Right. So then they have the same base, but then the pyramid is 1/3 of it, so this gives us 1/3 450. So this gives us 1,500 and square feet. Oops, cube, my mistake. This is also cube. So then to find the volume of a composite function, so then we take 4,500 minus 1,500. Right, so this gives us 2,500 and is cubic feet. All right. Okay, and for part B is similar to one we just did. Right. So first, find the volume of the prism. So in this case is 30 times 12 times 15. So it gives us 5,400, right? And the volume of the pyramid is 1/3 of the volume of the prism. So 1,800, right? So then the volume of the composite figure would give us 5,400 minus 1,800. Okay, so 3,600. But remember that is always, when you write the answer, make sure that you include the unit. So in this case, it's centimeter cube. Okay, so let's try number 4. Right, so they say that find the volume of the composite figure, round to the nearest 10. So for number 5, the composite figure is formed from 2 pyramids. The base of each pyramid is a square with a side length of 6, and each pyramid has a height of 8 inches. So when you read this, make sure that you're looking for those clues. So we're giving that the base is a square and the height is 6. And that means that the volume of one pyramid is 1/3, 6 squared times 8. Right? So then just use your calculator to work this out. So this gives us 96 inches cubed. But then remember that there's 2 of these, right? So then you would do 2 times 96 inches cubed. which gives us 192 inches cubed. Right, okay, and then for number 6, the composite figure is formed by a rectangular prism with 2 square pyramid on top of it. Right, so let's look at our diagram first. Okay. So then we have 2 square, that means that the base of this pyramid would be 5 and 5. Right? And this is also 5, so then they form a square base. So first, find the volume of a rectangular base first. So that gives us 2 times 10 times 5. Right? So that gives us 100. And this is feet cubed. Now find the volume of the pyramid. Right? So this is 1/3 times, so then we're giving the square base will be 5 square, and we're giving the height is 3 feet. Right, so this gives us 25, oops, my mistake. Let me change that to a 5 feet, cubic feet, but then we have two of those. So then for the pyramid width, then we have 2 of those, so you do 2 times 25. So which gives us 50 cubic feet. So then to find the composite functions, then the volume would be 100 cubic feet plus 50 cubic feet. Okay. Right, so for number 9. So can I work out number 9 on your own, and then in a minute we'll give you the answers. Okay, so make sure that when you look at the pyramid, it's only this part, so that the base of a pyramid is a rectangle, right? So which gives us that, and the height is 6. Okay, so let's try number 10. So please check your answer for number 10. Oops, or I think I made a mistake. The two pyramids are not the same. I'm assuming that they are. So let me clean this off again. All right. So let's redo 10. So first find the volume of the rectangular base, which gives us 18 times 9 times 2 plus the volume of the pyramid on the left, which gives us 9 times 9 times 18. That should be a 3. And plus the volume, the one on the right, which is 1/3, 9 times 9, and the height is 16. Okay, so let's try this again. Okay, and then we add those two, or we add all three of them together. And this is in cubic feet, right? Okay, and so can we go try our number 8? Find the height of a triangular prism with the volume of 13 meter cube and the base area of 7 meters squared. Right, so you can leave your answer in term of or a fraction, or you can change it into a decimal. Or approximately 5.57, and this is in terms of meter. Right? Okay. So this is similar to the one we just did, so I'm going to skip these two. Okay, so then this is the end of our notes for 21.2, day 2. You have your book set assignment, and you also need to finish your HRW and turn them in. And please copy down notes for 21.3, day 1.